In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can ChatGPT write Velo code? The short answer is yes. ChatGPT can absolutely help generate Velo code for Wix websites, and it can be a very useful tool if you want to speed up development, get unstuck, or learn how certain features are built. It can create both front-end and back-end JavaScript for Wix projects, which means it can support user-facing interactions as well as behind-the-scenes logic. For example, ChatGPT can help you generate code to display content from a Wix database collection inside a repeater. If you describe what collection you're using, what fields you want to show, and where the repeater should appear, it can produce a strong starting point. It can also help you build database collections, write event handlers, and connect external APIs when your site needs more advanced functionality. Another area where ChatGPT is especially helpful is building common Wix features. It can assist with contact forms, user registration systems, dynamic pages, and custom site behavior. If you want to connect a form to a Wix collection and save submitted information, ChatGPT can generate that logic for you. It can also help automate workflows and user interactions, which is great when you want your site to do more without writing every line from scratch yourself. Beyond creating new code, ChatGPT is also useful for debugging and improving code you already have. You can paste in your Velo code and ask for help identifying errors, bugs, or weak spots. It can explain what the code is doing step by step, which is especially valuable if you're still learning Velo. On top of that, it can suggest better ways to organize your code, improve performance, and strengthen security by following best practices. To get the best results, it's important to be specific. Give detailed requirements, explain what you want the feature to do, and mention any project goals or limitations. The clearer your prompt is, the better the generated code is likely to be. After that, always test the code before publishing your website. Generated code can save time, but it still needs to be reviewed carefully in your own Wix environment. It also helps to use follow-up prompts. If the first result is close but not perfect, ask for changes, refinements, or extra functionality. And finally, make sure you verify your database permissions and security settings so your site stays safe and your data is handled correctly. Used the right way, ChatGPT can be a powerful assistant for writing, improving, and refining Velo code for Wix.